In a tranquil pond, lived a young dragonfly nymph named Dazzle, an aquatic hunter with a heart full of curiosity. Days passed, and Dazzle grew stronger, mastering the art of ambush and stealth, but there was one question that lingered in her mind. What lies beyond the pond, she wondered, yearning to explore the world above the water. One day, she found a crack in the pond's surface, a potential gateway to the unknown. With a leap of faith, Dazzle broke the surface, taking her first breath in the world above. Suddenly, she found herself in a world vast and wondrous. She saw trees that towered high, birds that soared in the sky, and creatures that scurried on the ground. Yet, she was different, vulnerable without her aquatic armor. A spider, sensing her fear, spun a web to ensnare her. But Dazzle remembered her lessons well, using her speed to escape. As she ran, she encountered other creatures, some friendly, like the bees that pollinated flowers, and others unfriendly, like the fox that chased her. One day, she came across a wise old owl named Ollie, who noticed her weariness. Ollie shared a valuable lesson: embrace your uniqueness, for it is your strength. Inspired, Dazzle discovered that her speed and agility, which made her vulnerable on land, were her strengths in the water. She learned to navigate the world above with grace and courage, overcoming the challenges that came her way. Back in the pond, Dazzle shared her story with her fellow dragonfly nymphs. Embrace your uniqueness, she said, for it is our differences that make us strong. And so, they all learned a valuable lesson that day: to embrace their uniqueness, to face their fears, and to never stop exploring the world around them.